you all are doing great and you all are safe. So as you all have read by the title, this video is based on a fitness challenge, like after so many days, like after 2 weeks if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So as you all have read by the title, this video is a challenge where I'm taking myself to burn 500 calories in 40 minutes. Like 40 minutes and 500 calories. How it works? Like, is it real? So if you all want to get the answer for these questions, you need to watch this video, guys. And also, if someone is over here to just see the results, go to this timings and watch it, guys. And also, guys, she tells that you all can burn around 300 to 500 calories, and she won't tell that yeah, you will burn, and that is something very true. So you need to watch this video so that I can tell you all the things. So guys, before starting the video, I have few disclaimers to tell you all. Like, if you all know me from before, you all know these 3 disclaimers. The first one is I am not a fitness expert. Like, I am not going to tell you that yeah, this will work, this won't work. No, I am not going to tell that because I am not a fitness expert. And the second thing is every body type is different and you can burn more or you can burn less. So I can't assure you that yes, this will be the burning count. Like, no, I am not going to assure you this. And the third thing is, if you want to risk yourself and do this workout, do it. And I'm not going to tell or push you towards this challenge like, okay, do this workout and show me. No, I'm not going to tell you this because I know how it works. So, and if you are a beginner, please don't try it. Just make sure that you have a workout program, like you have done workout for at least 2 to 3 weeks and you know how your body works, and then start to do some challenges. Randomly don't do. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay guys, just take this note as a reminder for you all. Make sure that you warm up yourself before doing any workout, like any a day. Okay, it can be 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, not more than that. Make sure you do this properly because this will reduce the injuries in the future. Okay guys, in this Clovitin has also added the warm-up session, so it's fine. You all can do that and start the workout. Okay, in this video what basically Clovitin does is she makes sure that your heartbeat is high as possible, because whenever your heartbeat is high, the calories which will be burnt is also high. That make sure that it's not too high also. And yes guys, she'll be cooling down every now and then, and she has given only rest for 20 seconds after 4 exercise, like 4 minutes and then 20-second rest, and the same exercise is repeated for 3 times, but I've added only once, so just watch me. I just love to do high knees, but I was doing it slowly because I knew that it will be harder in the future. So yeah. Okay guys, now whatever you're saying was the second set of the workout. Basically Clovitin has 4 sets in the whole workout challenge, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 4 sets, and each 4 sets will be repeated thrice. Can you just imagine me doing this? Like, oh god, it was like, oh, when would I even end? But to be honest, I love the workout.
Can you see me? Dude, I can feel my heartbeat. Let's go.
Okay, I'm the one who hates burpees because that takes so much of pressure to do. Like, you need to jump, you need to come back, you need to go down. Like, so much, but it was included in the workout. I know that it'll burn calories, so yeah. Okay, as you all know, your heartbeat will be high when you're jumping or doing something, and the next workout was this to cool down it. Cloverton is very clever, you know. Okay, this was the last exercise of this set, so she made us to run on the spot.
So done. And it's only 289 calories that I burned right now.
Okay, here is the next set. Basically, in this, you need to do a push up, and you know what? I can never do it, and you all need to see the second part of it. Just wait for me to do the second push ups, and you know me, like, I can never do it. Okay, there was no rest in between, so I was so tired to do this because we had Spider-Man and mountain climbers, and my arms were burning so badly because they are not strong at all. I know that those are the weakest part. And here comes the last exercise of the challenge, and yes guys, it was like, oh god, like it was like very hard to do. Okay, cool down. That was the last exercise, but this video clip made me to like anyone can make me Buddhu, you know? Okay, this is what my brother does, so just don't mind. So this is the last part to stretch down your bodies because after doing workout you need to stretch down. It is the important thing after doing a workout, just like that, so that you won't get injured. Just that.
So even Cloverton tells that we burn around 300 to 500 calories. So let's go and see what I have burned. So the active calorie burnt was 429 and the total calorie was 478. I'll add a picture somewhere over here so that you will all get to know. Okay, I'm so done. Like, I would never recommend this to a beginner. Like, if you're starting today, don't try with this. Just start normally, and then when you have that confidence and then you can handle everything properly, then go and do this workout. Because HIIT is not just like that. It takes so much of pressure. Like, your BPM is so high. Because I know last time when I did like a day before, like a 1 year or 2 year before, it was 186 or something. So yeah, I would not recommend this. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you had fun and you got motivation to do workouts. And also guys, as you all saw, I too burned very less calories, like not too less, but yeah,
less than 500, right? So it's very less for me. I eat so much, like every day I eat.
And also guys, I would like to tell that the recording what I got on Apple, it's not the like a proper one or accurate one to tell that yes you have burned, because you know what my brother tells, that it won't show the proper calories what we have burned till now. Like, you know what we did to just know that if it works or not, we just kept the watch aside and we were sitting and watching it without doing anything. Like, we on the HIIT ka tracking thing and we were just sitting, and Haran said it was showing 2 to 3 calories were burnt. Like, how can it even happen when you're just sitting and nothing has happened? So I would not tell that yes this will be the thing or you can burn so much. So take up few challenges and make sure you work out on a daily basis and make sure that you are fit and healthy, because this pandemic is just bad. So yes guys, I'm just sorry, but it's nice to listen to music. It's fine. This is my neighborhood thing. That happens every day. I don't know why did you even tell this. Like, okay, chuck. So guys, if you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel guys.